Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another Clean With Me video. Today I am tackling my house. This past week has just been a bad week for me. I haven't been feeling very well, so the main areas of the house kind of got away from me. The kitchen is such a mess because I made wings for dinner. If you've ever made your own wings, you know that it tends to get pretty messy. So that's why the kitchen is a mess. But thank you for joining me on another Clean With Me video. And let's get this house in order and clean and hopefully get you some cleaning inspiration. So like always, I am just starting on the counters, getting them all cleaned up and putting all the dishes by the sink so I can get those washed. I cleaned out the refrigerator this weekend, so there is Tupperware containers galore. So that's why the dishes are so piled up, is because of all those Tupperware containers. on to the dishes. I found out that my phone has a super speed record, or like a hyperlapse setting, so I filmed that with this, so that's why it's so fast. I think it's fun. It's like 21 minutes of work in 35 seconds. Next up is the dining room. The kids had a lot of fun this weekend. I gave them some construction paper I gave Caleb some construction paper and some scissors and let him just cut up paper and have fun with that. So that's why there's so much paper on the floor. But he had a lot of fun with that, and it kept him entertained for about 35 minutes. So it will definitely be happening again. I'm just putting all of the stuff that is not trash into a basket so I can put it away later. Right here, I was explaining to Nate that although our bottle, the spray bottle is supposed to always work because it's got like a tube down the side of it or something, it doesn't work. So I have no idea why, but I was just explaining to Nate what was going on with the bottle and why I kept tipping it upside down. Next, I'm just doing a quick pickup of the living room. It actually wasn't too bad. It was mainly the kitchen and dining room and bedrooms that were the worst, because I did manage to get the living room cleaned up a little bit, but right now it's just strode from day-to-day play. I don't quite know where I went here, so I'm sorry for the space of just nothing. I don't exactly know what happened. Next is the kids' disastrous room. It took a little while to get this all cleaning up, and it took a lot of convincing to get the kids to help. Mine and Nate's room is next, and complete honesty, yes, we do currently have 2 TVs in our room because the VHS player will not hook up to our newer TV, so we had to pull out the old one because we found we got a bunch of VHS, old Disney VHSs for the kids to watch, and they have been loving being able to just watch the old Disney movies and everything. So if you see 2 TVs in this room, that is why. I was playing peekaboo with Zoe here because she was in the living room and she was watching, and I was playing peekaboo and she was laughing. And now we tackle the mountain of laundry. I always do good keeping the laundry washed and clean, but it's folding where I have trouble a lot of times. But I do get it done, but it just takes a while. I always try to do smaller loads of laundry, and that way I fold them as soon as they get out of the dryer. But like I said, this week things have just gotten away from me and I haven't really done much cleaning, so we're tackling the laundry. And one way I keep the kids' clothes just more organized in their drawer is when I am folding them up, I will actually match a top and a bottom and fold them like that. So that way when they go to get dressed, Kaleb especially, when he goes to get dressed, he just has to pull an outfit out of his drawer, and he doesn't have to worry about finding shirts and pants that match because it's right there. He just has to pick one, take it out of his drawer, and then get dressed. And I also do the same with Zoe, and she is currently obsessed with changing her clothes, so it's helpful for her too. And that is all I have for today for this video. I do hope you got some good cleaning inspiration and that you are able to get your house in order as well. I would love to see some video footage of you cleaning up your house. It's always nice and encouraging to see people cleaning their house. I don't know what it is. It just makes me want to get up and actually clean. But if you like this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and that's all I've got for today. See you in the next one.